Keeping your cool, understanding, lose one's cool. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, lose one's cool. It's a phrase you might encounter in various situations, from movies and books to everyday conversations. Understanding what it means and how to use it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. Lose one's cool is an idiomatic expression that means to lose one's temper or composure, especially in situations where being calm is expected or beneficial. This phrase can be used in both professional and personal contexts. When someone loses their cool, they may show anger, frustration, or even panic, often leading to actions or words they might later regret. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. In the workplace, imagine a meeting where discussions become heated, and a usually calm manager suddenly raises their voice in frustration. You could say, the manager really lost their cool during the meeting. In personal life, consider a situation where someone is trying to solve a difficult problem, and nothing seems to work. They might start to shout or throw things out of anger. In this case, he lost his cool after trying to fix the sink for hours. Maintaining composure has numerous benefits. It allows for clear thinking, effective communication, and helps in maintaining professional and personal relationships. Losing one's cool can lead to misunderstandings, damage relationships, and even harm one's own mental health. We'll discuss strategies to keep calm under pressure, such as taking deep breaths, stepping away from the situation momentarily, or practicing mindfulness. Now that we know what it means, let's practice using it. She almost lost her cool when she saw the mess in the kitchen, but then she took a deep breath and decided to deal with it calmly. During the debate, he managed not to lose his cool, even when challenged with tough questions. Understanding idiomatic expressions like lose one's cool can add depth to your English communication, making you sound more fluent and natural. Remember, the key to learning a language is not just memorizing words and phrases but understanding the context in which they're used. We hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to keep your cool in challenging situations. See you in the next video.